Hi, it's Resizing, and today I'll show you how to customize the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. So first, when you are on your home screen, just click and hold onto the free space. Then right here you can select the Wallpaper and Style. You can change wallpaper. When you select one, change the lock screen or just home screen. We have the color palette that you can also enable and change. Then themes. When you log into the Galaxy themes, you can right here find ones that are, most of them you need to pay for them, but you can find some free too. One more time, we have also the widgets. You can find widgets from, for example, clock, and add one. Okay, select this alarm. So just use order. For example, Facebook, add, just to show you. And we have the widgets right here. You can change its position, or you can resize it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.